is a public access program.
First. This is Tracking Ponies, and I encourage you to support your local E80. It's here. It's today. We're here, May 20th. This is the race event I've been telling you about for the last few weeks in our uploads. We've got Orange Car heading to Willow Spring, consistently fast times that we can. But at any rate, you get the idea. It was Dad's turn to fill up, but you know what? It's also his turn to start on the track today, so I don't get to go first. But he had to fill up today, so that looks like they're building a new roller coaster of some. We are here, and what a perfect Wednesday morning it will be to race. Oh, I can't wait to ride along in this. Look at this baby. Woo! I just got back with Brian in his 370Z, and you know, you can tell why he's a professional driver. He's taking these turns so incredibly relaxed, and he's so calm, and that's the sign of a good professional driver, is they're very calm and poised, and they're very much in control of the situation. We're gonna check out, my dad's got the boss on the track right now. He got dibs going first today, and I'm gonna see if I can get a shot of him on a flyby here. Come on guys, this isn't the freeway. What's going on? Come on. Wow, look how fast the ZL1 1LE is going. Wow, look at that. Wow. Setting lap records. Test out the boss. Dude, I'm trying to talk here. What? Doesn't he know don't you know I'm tracking pony? as you guys can hear, the clutch is bad. I don't know if it's the clutch bearing or the throttle response issue is gone. No throttle response issue.
was dip two tires off.
All right, so listen to this. When I put in the clutch, listen. Clutch in, clutch out. Clutch in, clutch out. So there you go. See, there it is. You hear it? Clutch in. Yeah, it's really bad. Good? So my dad and I both just drove the car, and what's really interesting is I believe Eddie fixed the bucking issue or the throttle response issue. I found the Boss to be perfectly smooth. In fact, that was probably one of my favorite track experiences I've ever had. My dad, on the other hand, couldn't stand it. In fact, he's still having issues with the throttle response, maybe the way that the car applies torque. But we had two totally different experiences in the Boss, wouldn't you say?
I had a hard time keeping that thing steady. It was bucking. I kept pulling my foot off the accelerator, putting it down very gently. The only time that it wasn't bucking is when I put my foot into it. Then it didn't buck. It was just when after downshifting and trying to speed up again. That's when it was doing. But when I hit throttle hard, it was perfect. It was just in between. I'm sure you'll teach me how to do it right. I expect you to.
I really didn't have any of these issues. So, but you know what though? Different drivers, different inputs.
Yeah.
We'll
So
see.
if we sell it, it's no big deal.
Oh, you know what? So I will confirm or state the obvious, but racing slicks definitely hide many of your mistakes, because there were a few times on track I missed my line and I tried to correct it and get back online. And subscribe now if you want to keep an eye on what we're doing with our Boss 302. We have a stage 3 build coming up. Lots more to do. Thank you so much.
Never loved a car more in my life. Dude, you built...
Public act.
I'd love to tell you the answer.